Hello, everyone, and welcome to SavvyMoneyGlow. Today, we're diving into 2025's millionaire-making investment strategies unveiled. Get ready to explore some promising avenues for building wealth this year. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge. Cryptocurrencies continue to dominate headlines as a lucrative investment opportunity. In 2025, we're seeing innovative platforms and decentralized finance projects offering exponential growth potential. If you haven't yet, setting up a cryptocurrency wallet and researching coins like Ethereum and Bitcoin can be your first steps. The real estate sector is evolving with new technologies like virtual reality and blockchain shaping investment opportunities. Consider diversifying into real estate investment trusts, REITs, or exploring crowd-funded real estate ventures to get started with minimal capital. Sustainable and green investments are capturing investor attention in 2025. With the global push for environmental sustainability, companies focused on renewable energy, electric vehicles, and sustainable agriculture offer lucrative opportunities. Look into green mutual funds or ETFs as a gateway to participate. The stock market never goes out of style. Whether it's discovering undervalued stocks or capitalizing on emerging market trends, staying informed and adaptable is key. Following stock analysts and employing online brokerage platforms can enhance your stock market strategies. So there you have it. 2025 offers a plethora of opportunities to elevate your financial game. Evaluate these strategies and decide which suits your investment goals best. Remember, investing involves risks, so always make informed decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share for more savvy tips from SavvyMoneyGlow. Thank you for watching. 2025's Millionaire Making Investment Strategies Unveiled.